What's up guys, it's LeGrand here, and we got a cool sign we're gonna be working up using the Cutmaster 50 Plus. So, how I typically do this, I import the design into my iPad, mark it up, get it where I want, and then I print it. In the old day, teachers used to roll in this big cart with this big overhead projector and cast the image that way. But in this case, we're using new technology with the standard projector and casting the image right onto the steel. Let's dive in. All right guys, you got the stencil all done. Now let's go get it cut out. All right, we got our steel on the table and we got our Cutmaster 50 Plus fired up, ready to go. Let's go ahead and get it cutting. Gee, look at that. Boys and girls, the Plasma Wizard is in town. Let's go. Class is in session. There we go. Now the old D will fall out. Everyone wants a good D. And that's some nice arch stability. Nice, clean, very nice, very nice. Ooh, that's coming together. Oh yeah, we're getting locked in, baby, locked in. Ooh, smooth. Oh, yeah, damn. Probably a sign your mom would order. Look at that. Fresh off the press. Got it all cut out. Got a little bit of dross on the top side. That's no problem. We'll clean it up with a grinder. Front and back, chip some slag off. Be good to go. Got a piece of scrap metal. See if I can't. Oh yeah. Slag coming right off. It's a little tough because the sign's flimsier in nature. It's probably super loud than mine. Alrighty, we got a little more grinding left to do, but that is how you cut out a custom sign. And if you're looking to get into general fabrication, custom signage, get yourself a Cutmaster and keep cutting.